Now this title might make you really happy or really angry. If you're happy, cool. If you're angry, I can totally understand why. This is a tutorial series that I've started very close after the channel has started, and it's never been completed to a standard that I would deem acceptable. I've always wanted to complete this tutorial series, but when I wanted to start working on it after my long hiatus, so much went wrong. I've been through so much in this time, and just to make it clear, this isn't an excuse. I'm really sorry that I haven't finished this one to a standard that I want, so now I want to finish it. So in the next few days after this video releases, the first part of the Vehicle AI Racing tutorial series will be posted. The reason for this first part to be reposted is because the car used in Unreal Engine 5 has shifted a lot of its code around. This has been a problem up until recently, but Unreal Engine 5 doesn't really update the car that much anymore, so we should be good to go. I don't know how many days or weeks will be required to output the full tutorial series, but I won't stop until I have the following features in the AI. A. An AI which can control throttle and brake based on the corner angle. B. An AI which can use 2 lanes on the racetrack. C. An AI which can overtake based on cars around it. D. An AI which can try its best to avoid crashes based on cars around it. And E. An AI which uses an AI controller to ensure more broad compatibility with different vehicles. Currently a racing line isn't planned, as I've tried my best to reduce its complexity, but most of the solutions is really complicated and would require multiple parts just for it alone. The collision avoidance will also be pretty basic, relying on triggers to work. I've had a system which would index cars on the spline, and while the system worked amazingly, it was also a lot of setup as well. This might change at a later date, but currently it isn't planned. Now with that out of the way, you might have seen a car going around the track on screen. This is a really early version of the AI, with overtaking and collision avoidance stripped out so I could focus on more smoother cornering. The AI only uses a single spline, which it uses to determine how much it should turn, or throttle, or brake. Currently there's no big speed zones, the AI checks angle, and changes its speed accordingly. And that's about it really for this AI. I know I can't fully right my wrongs for holding on to this one for so long, but trying to would be better than doing nothing. Thank you guys for watching. Hit like if you liked the video, and hit dislike if you didn't. And see you guys in the next video. Goodbye everybody.